All right, the car is running. This is a 1997 Toyota Camry. Let's turn it off. Okay, let's see what happens if we start it. Take the key out, put it to accessory, on, and then start. Nothing happens. I'm turning the key. Nothing happens. So this happened to me, and I started checking the battery and all the cables and looking up what to do, and there's a no start, no fire, and the engine just doesn't do anything at all. And then I realized that the problem was this. I'm in park right now. Mechanically, the car knows that I'm in park, but it's like the computer doesn't know that it's in park. So you can't start the car when it's not in park. That's my problem. Let's see. So I'm gonna take it into reverse, and that light comes on. Neutral, back to reverse, park. Now let's try it. Okay, there we go. So this indicates a problem with the neutral safety switch. Another time that I saw this problem in this car was when I went from park to reverse, this light did not come on. So the breakup lights, the backup lights did not come on. But when I went from neutral to reverse, which is less common than going from park to reverse, the backup lights did come on. So the problem in this car is that the neutral safety switch needs to be cleaned out. I cleaned it out once already to get this reverse deal going, but sometimes the park sticks. So if your car is doing this, when you turn it on, if it's doing this, then first thing to check, does your car think it's in park? All right, hope this helps.